We have pastries. What should we make? We should put a cream cheese and raspberries with it. Yeah! Here are your raspberries. Now she's gonna go wash them. Here's the pastries. Now we have to roll it. Now we cut it. We're gonna put some egg wash on top. Wow, these look great. Yeah. We have to wait for them to cool down. Now it's time to press down the middle square. It's my turn to put in a cream cheese filling. I'm gonna put the raspberries now. You can put as many raspberries as you want. Let's put powdered sugar, make it pretty. These look pretty. Follow for more recipes.